At last, Samsung has made it official. The Samsung Galaxy A27 5G is finally available after weeks of rumors, leaks, and even an unintentional listing on Samsung's own website. Additionally, although having a similar design, one characteristic immediately sets it apart from practically every other low-cost smartphone available. Samsung is offering an amazing 6 years of Android OS updates, which is practically unheard of in this price range. With a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, a smooth refresh rate of 120 Hz, thin bezels, and a centered punch-hole selfie camera for a more contemporary appearance, the Galaxy A27 5G boasts Samsung's iconic flat design. The power and volume controls are located on the right side of the flat frame, and the phone is shielded by Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. Samsung has chosen a simple, basic design for the back, which includes a vertical pill-shaped camera module with 3 sensors. Black, blue, light green, and light pink are the possible colors for the Galaxy A27. There is one unsatisfactory change this year, though. Some consumers who are hoping for the same level of protection may be disappointed by Samsung's decision to reduce the Galaxy A26's water and dust resistance from IP67 to IP64. The Galaxy A27 has 2 cameras, a 5MP ultra-wide, a 2MP macro, and a 50MP primary camera with optical image stabilization, OIS. A 12MP selfie camera with support for Super HDR 121 is located on the front. Better yet, both the primary back and front cameras have 4K video recording capabilities at 30 frames per second, which is a great perk in this price range. The phone has 128GB or 256GB of storage and 6GB or 8GB of RAM. If that's still insufficient, you can add up to 2TB with a micro SD card. The phone is a well-equipped gadget for daily use because it supports 5G, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.1, NFC, and USB Type-C. According to Samsung, the Galaxy A27 5G will go on sale in a few locations on July 3. Although the business has not yet made an official global price announcement, sources indicate that it may begin at about $349 in Europe and $350 in the US, with regional variations in pricing anticipated. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.